Good evening, I'm Lavinia Ndiva. The preparation for the Special Leaders Meeting and Engaging with the Pacific meeting is well underway in Nadi. Fiji now awaits the delegations from Tuvalu, Solomon Islands, Timor-Leste and Vanuatu for the second Engaging with the Pacific meeting. The French Polynesia representative, Senator Richard Tuyava, arrived on Sunday. He is also a nominee from the Office of the President, His Excellency Nicolas Sarkozy. Senator Tuyava is a member of the Senate of France, representing French Polynesia, and is a member of the Socialist Party. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Political and Treaties Deputy Secretary Mr. Silam Balawa said most leaders would be in the country by tomorrow before the meeting proper on Thursday. Preparation work for the regional meeting that aims to highlight the challenges of the Pacific Small Islands developing states is progressing well. The two-day meeting will be held at the Tano International Hotel in Nadi on September 1st and 2nd. The 18th Annual Fiji Development Bank Annual Small Business Awards is an opportunity to acknowledge the entrepreneurs that have made an outstanding contribution to Fiji's business landscape and to the economy. For the last 18 years, the Fiji Development Bank has been sponsoring this prestigious award, and this year they expect 100 farmers to participate.
The Fiji Development Bank believes in the philosophy that if small businesses show environmental consideration at its earlier stages of development, then sustainability of the particular enterprise in the long term is almost assured.
Similarly, for small businesses, they are more often than not that they are carbon copies of each other. So there's always competition for that scarce dollar and goods and services. But the real entrepreneur will recognize the new need, a gap in the delivery of goods and services. And we also believe such a business or enterprise should also be recognized accordingly.
Statistics obtained by the Fiji Police Force have revealed that the road death toll now stands at 30 as compared to 32 for the same period last year. The drop is due to the joint operation currently being undertaken by the Fiji Police Force and the Land Transport Authority to ensure a safer road for all.
The Police Force and the Land Transport Authority as well is quite concerned with the number of road accidents that we have been having this year. In the first quarter, we were showing some progress in terms of reduced numbers of road fatalities when compared to corresponding periods from last year. But in the second quarter and now in the third quarter, it's quite a concern that now we have 30 road fatalities compared to 33 for the corresponding period last year. Just this month alone, we had about 5 road accidents, road deaths. And this is a concern because we are fast catching up to last year's figures. At the same time, as we are concerned, we are working with ways in which we can tackle this. I think one of the issues that the police force and the LTA is looking at the moment is tackling the issue, looking beyond the statistics, not just to emphasize on the road statistics, but also look at ways or the strategies that can be implemented to arrest people's minds, to arrest drivers' minds, to arrest attitudes of pedestrians as well. Because there are a lot of factors that all contribute to this increase in road fatalities. We are talking about drivers' attitudes, we are talking about pedestrian attitudes. So basically these are some of the reasons, some of the basic things, the factors that we will need to address. And so the strategies that are being formulated at this stage are looking at especially addressing those things.
Stay with us, more after the break.